Hello everyone. I'm 16 years old and I know what you're thinking. What does a 16-year-old knows about running a business? Well, honestly, a few months ago, not much. I didn't know what a CRM was. I haven't talked to a recruiting agency in my life. And I definitely didn't think I'll be making YouTube videos about automations. But here I am. And today I have something useful to share with you all. So, hear me out. A few weeks back, I got curious about how recruiting agencies work. Like, what do they actually do all day? And what I found? That was ridiculous. Recruiters, people who get paid to find amazing talents and close deals, spend most of their time not doing that. They're stuck doing things like updating spreadsheets, sending the same email for the 47th time, and trying to remember things like, wait, did I follow up with that person or not? One agency owner told me that his team spends 4 hours a day just on follow ups and data entry. That's like 4 hours. 4 hours. Like half a workday gone. Not talking to clients, not doing the real stuff. Just clicking things. And here's the painful part. Even after all that work, leads still slip through. Because everything is manual and stuff gets forgotten. And that client who was ready to sign, they got tired of waiting and they signed with someone else. Like it's not even the recruiter's fault. They're doing their best. But the system is broken. So I started asking myself, what if all that boring stuff just happens automatically? What if follow-ups send themselves? What if leads couldn't slip through because there's a system tracking everything? What if recruiters could actually, recruit? So here's what I'm building. It's called Morvix AI. Fancy name, simple idea. I build automations that solves all that boring problems for recruiting agencies. A CRM that actually makes sense, not 17 different spreadsheets. A email sequence that sends automatically so no lead goes cold. AI that screen 200 resumes in minutes instead of someone reading them for hours. And this channel, this is where I'm going to show you everything. How I build these systems, step by step, no secrets. No sign up for my course to learn more nonsense. Just here's how it works. Go build it. Some videos will be tutorials, some will be just me building stuff for my real clients and show you exactly what I did. I'm 16. I'm still figuring things out, but I'm learning fast. And I figured, why not learn in public? Why not show you what's working? Maybe it helps. Maybe it helps you. So, if you run a recruiting agency, or you work at one, or you're just thinking automation is cool and want to see how it works, subscribe. I'm posting new stuff every week. And the first tutorial, the one where I'll actually build something on screen, that's coming very soon. So stick around for that. I'll see you in that one. Let's automate the boring stuff.